So the technique we're going to work on now is just the basic Nikyo. This comes from Aikido, and I have many uses for this move. It can be used on the ground, from grabs, different things like that. So I'll have you just go kind of at an angle here. So what's happening is you want to turn the wrist over to where the arm makes kind of like a lightning bolt, okay? And then from here, now you can do the move. This is one of the basics where we set it here, but we're just going to do this the basic grabbing. So what I do here is I grab the wrist. I basically do this motion, but I really want to just find Brittany's center. When I do that, see? Okay, all right, sorry. So what happens is I'm finding your center, and I'm basically sinking down. I don't use any power on this, okay? And it's about finding the sweet spot. I can actually do it from here. Okay, you all right? I'm going super gentle. This is for grabs. This is the basics, okay? But again, the arm, sort of like a lightning bolt here, okay? And we're finding your center, okay? And I want to make sure and just kind of bow with Brittany here, okay? Sorry for the torture. Okay. So again, pinky, ring finger, I'm getting grip. Now this is, it's like I'm wringing out a towel, okay? All right? It's also a good stretch, just so you know, in case anyone wants to stretch the wrist. We would just stretch it this way. Okay, so again, relaxed, and I'm just finding your center. Now what I mean by find the center is I'm actually feeling and I'm focusing my energy on Brittany's center. And she's moving her center around right now, so I have to keep adjusting. Okay? So very important, we're ringing. Okay, let's get your other arm. So as we're here, just to get a little equality, as we're here, okay? Okay, so we're doing a close-up of how this is coming over, okay? Now, when his hand is here, I just rotate it over. Now, Chris, actually give it a good resist. Okay, yeah, you all right?
No.
Sorry.
I'm okay.
So basically, we're doing a close-up here, okay? We're gonna come in frame a little bit. Chris is actually gonna resist. This just shows this move. And I'm going so light on this too. I'm not putting much pressure. And I can also, you okay? Sorry about that. Okay, and we have the blade. That is the motion. It's you okay?
I'm good, I'm good.
All right, you want to stand up? I'll help you up here. So it's like a cutting into the center, like a sword. Okay? So this is the combat application. This actually I use for my guard, okay? In jiu-jitsu or in fights, you're told to keep your hands on your opponent, not on the concrete, not on the mat, wherever you're at. So this is a move that I use because there's so many moves on the ground. You don't want to be down here. Give your opponent a chance to bite you, get your opponent. But this is great when you have it here. I actually, same thing. I'm not even moving around much, okay? And I can actually just start, and I'm going to hip out. Oh. And it's crazy because he's actually locked up here. I know when people are going to see this, they're going to be like, that's BS, and I'm not even going that hard. I can actually do it if he's still in my guard. I don't have to move hard. But basically, same thing. I'm tweaking, and from here, I can actually get back up to my feet, or I can just wrench.